Tonight on It's the Law, a former Bibb County Sheriff's Deputy was arrested and fired after a video surfaced of him kicking a handcuffed suspect during an arrest. If there weren't any video evidence in this case, what necessary steps should one take to prove an officer overstepped their boundaries? And what actions would law enforcement take? Here to weigh in on this, our legal expert Jay Davis and Bibb County Sheriff David Davis. Thanks you all so much for coming on with us.
Thanks, Scholar.
All right, let's take a look at the video here. It's provided by the Bibb County Sheriff's Office. It actually shows a uniformed deputy that's believed to be 28-year-old Nathaniel Woodard kicking 38-year-old DeVasco Holly. Now, if this video didn't appear, would that change the outcome of this case? Sheriff, I'll start with you. We've talked about this a little bit earlier, and we said that although he wasn't proven guilty in a court, you would have fired him anyway.
Well, there was the preponderance evidence that he did abuse someone in custody. And had the video not come forward, we may or may not have been able to have done anything because we need corroborating evidence, other witnesses. They were obviously other people standing around. Somebody videoed this, so they could have come forward. Other officers on the scene, physical evidence on the victim, if there's any type of injuries or bruising or anything like that. So there's a lot of things that can come together. We had a similar situation to this just a couple of months ago where one of my deputies struck a female that was in custody in the back of a sheriff's car. There was no video there. There was some injuries to her mouth, and then there was another deputy that said, yeah, he did it. And at that time, the deputy admitted to doing it, so he was charged criminally as well as terminated.
Jay, if the deputy doesn't admit to doing it, saying this never happened, there's no video, and the suspect says this did happen, then it becomes a he say, she say thing. If you're representing that suspect, how do you go about this case?
Well, it's very difficult without the videos, and that's why we really would like, and the sheriff and I talked last time we were here about the need for these videos to be more, the body cams and all of that stuff, so that not only protect the citizenry, but also the sheriffs themselves, or the deputy sheriffs themselves. The videos can show so much. When it generally gets to be a he said, or he said, she said type claim between a deputy and somebody else, deputies' words are generally going to be accepted by judges. A lot of judges tend to file, they see the deputy as being the one who has nothing to gain in this thing, which is simply not the case. A lot of citizens feel the same way. They want to defer to the deputies. So we're trying to advocate for protect the sheriff's office, all of the deputies, that kind of thing, to kind of try to be able to trust them, but also to hold them accountable. And we think that those videos and the need, as we go forward, to get those body cams and all the videos and to hold them accountable for where is those videos. Like we said last time, a lot of times we don't have the video when we think it will help our client, we don't have it. And that's a very hard case. As the sheriff indicated, if you have the injuries, if you have something else to prove it, it's one thing. But when there's no injuries left, I've had some where somebody's placed in a sheriff car, the heat turned up on an older person, trying to get them to sort of give information that they want them to give. Right. It's not appropriate conduct. Video's not available.
I want to ask you guys this real quick. Sheriff, you mentioned policies before. Even though they don't get, say, charged with this, you have certain policies in place. If someone violates those policies, then that's grounds for them to be fired.
Yes. Any policy that we have has as its ultimate result as a possible termination. So any violation of policy could result in a termination. Obviously, there may be other sanctions, but they could result in termination on any of them.
And body cams are coming soon,
yes?
Body
cams are coming. We're studying vendors now. We've already got a lot of policy developed. Vendors and how we're going to store all the information, but they are coming.
And cell phones are working miracles. You see something going on, doesn't look quite right, pull the cell phone out, take a video, have something just like that.
If you catch us doing something wrong, video it, but if you catch us doing something right, video that also.
All right, gentlemen, thank you so much. And as always, we want to hear your legal questions. If you have any, email us at itsthelaw@41nbc.com, and we'll do our best to answer it during the news at 6.